Welcome to Frankfurt.
We're excited to be back at the laundry industry's biggest and most important exhibition.
We're here with a team of about 150 Jensen people. We're showing all our latest technologies.
As you see here now, the Invatec system doing automatic feeding of towels. We have the tunnel washer. We have futurized system, the monorail system, a garment section, brand new feeder.
Our live demonstrations are highlighting how our cutting-edge technologies are transforming laundry operations for greater efficiency and sustainability.
Sustainability is at the heart of what we do.
We set the standard and the benchmark in laundry automation. We're very proud of being #1 in this area.
We have a fantastic team, an amazing spirit.
We have the solutions, we have the tools, we have the expertise, we have the know-how to assist our customer and make sure we can help them reach their ESG goals.
For every market segment, every automation requirement, every capacity, Jensen has a solution for you.
Feel the Jensen spirit.